So this is exactly how to fix the mic not working on your Razer Barracuda X. So the first thing you need to check is of course that you haven't muted yourself here. So if it's muted here, you can just unmute yourself. That is the first way to fix it. The other way is to check if this scrolling wheel, if it's on low volume, you have to sometimes increase it to be able to make it work. And then of course also don't forget to add the microphone right here. So you actually have this right here, and you can talk and see if that works. Sometimes it is a setting on your device. So let's say you're connected to a PC or PlayStation 5 or whatever. You have to also, of course, configure so that it recognizes microphone as the primer. Yes, so that it recognizes it as the device that it should use, basically. And one more thing, if that still isn't working for you, you might need to factory reset it. And you factory reset it by clicking on the power button here, click and hold. You will see a green light. And you can see it says pairing now. Just wait, keep holding. And now it's going to say factory reset, and perfect. Now it's reset. So try once again and hopefully now it's going to work for you.